Hi and welcome to Reseller News. My name is Rjpasini. Today is April 10th, 2018. I just want to say, for those who stop by my channel, welcome and thank you. I hope you subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like the content I put out. I do the Reseller News to share, enlighten, and pass on information that may be helpful to you as an online seller. I deal with topics, or I should say talk with topics about eBay, Etsy, Amazon, PayPal, or anything related with e-commerce. So without further ado, I just want to make this a quick news brief. I don't want to get too involved with it and talk too much about it, but I just want to share a couple of topics of interest that this year. Well, first off, today is Tuesday, of course, and I just wanted to share this with you guys really quick before I get into the email, the other one. This is for eBay Radio, and for those who don't know anything about it or are familiar with it, it goes on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It goes on I'm in New York here, East Coast time. It goes on from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Tuesdays, and on Thursdays it goes from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. If you want to call in, they have a phone number right over here. If you'd like to call in and ask Griff and Lee any questions eBay related, they'd be more than happy to help you out. If you don't, you could also send them an email. You could email Griff and you could email Lee. They also have a live chat board too for those who are not familiar with it, and you can listen to, you can listen to or contact them as well through that. If you feel like if you don't really want to talk to them, you could do it that way. The other message I want to talk about is the message from Heiner Steiner from E-commerce Bytes. It says, a message to E-commerce Bytes readers. We want to make sure you're aware of two important events occurring this month that can impact you. One, eBay users have until Thursday, April 12th to make sure they have their eBay guides before eBay removes them from the site on April 12th. You're welcome to publish them on E-commerce Bytes in our new guide section. Number two, the Supreme Court will hear a case on April 17th that can impact your obligations around calculating, collecting, and remitting sales tax on out-of-state transactions. We'll continue to cover these issues, I should say. So be sure you receive their emails in your inbox. If you don't, you could sign up with them there. She has a link on there when you go to her website to sign up for more information about the content that she puts out. E-commerce Bytes is a really good website. I don't have any affiliation with them as far as I'm not getting any revenue from them from sharing their information. So I just want to let you know about that there, guys. It's really a good website. You might want to check it out. Very informative. So if you got the time, go there to ecommercebytes.com. Anyway, I'm going to bump out of here and go back to this screen here. Oh, in regards to the eBay Radio, this is what it looks like when you go to their eBay Radio voice. Actually, it's voicemarketingradio.com. You could play the archives. So if you miss a show out, that you haven't seen, let's say like this was April 5th, and you didn't get a chance to listen to it, you could just go to the archives here, and you can listen to the show. If you want to listen to it live, which is today, right at this present time, you could click this Listen Live button, and you could listen to them. They're on the air right as we speak. But right now, that's not what we want to talk about. I want to go to, I'm going to bump out of here and go over here. Here is the from the email that Heiner sent from E-commerce Bytes. And I'm going to go over this really brief with you guys. It says over here, eBay, sellers would face crushing burden with overturn of Quill. Supreme Court is giving South Dakota the chance to argue why merchants with no physical presence in the state should have to collect and remit sales tax on transactions made to South Dakotan residents. South Dakota versus Wayfair Inc., Overstock.com Inc., and Newegg would in effect overturn the court's 1992 decision, Quill Corp versus North Dakota. eBay filed an ambiguous brief in support of the retailers in the case, explaining how issues on the sales tax collection has a bearing on its own sellers. Should the Quill decision be overturned, it will greatly undermine the growth opportunities available to hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of independent small businesses that sell online and represent a vital segment of the national economy. eBay stated in a press release. Currently, eBay leaves its sellers on whether to and where to collect sales tax. Many sellers are casual sellers or micro businesses, in many cases operate at their home. In its brief, eBay said if the court rules in favor of South Dakota, online sellers would face a crushing burdens, causing many to curtail operations. Online sellers would have to not one themselves master tax laws, and these mirror the jurisdictions, or two, purchase expensive tax assistance. Now, going down here, it goes a little more into it. I'm not going to read the whole thing here, but I will read one comment over here. It says 7 thoughts on eBay eBay sellers would face crushing the burden, and here's a response we got here from one person. I operate my e-com business by myself, and there is no way that I would be able to handle the collection and filing for 50 states, let alone knowing the intricacies of the tax laws. No software would change that. And even if it could, the compliance costs for using it and constant upgrade costs would eat up half all my profits. The obvious answer would be to acquire the venue to collect and remit taxes. Most sites already handle the payments and distribute to the sellers, so there's no extra issue for them. They also have the staff and lobbyists to look after their interests. But to leave it to a small entrepreneur like myself, crushing burden does not express it adequately. Okay, that's one. And then it goes on a little more to talk about it. You could read here the other comments. I'm not going to read too much into it because, like I said again, folks, we'll be here quite some time. I'll try and make this a short, brief segment here. Okay, so again, if you want to read these stories, this here is again on ecommercebytes.com. And the other one, the second issue that she was talking about in that email that she had sent me, was the guides. They do have a guide section. He says, welcome to guides, which are written and submitted by readers. Here are some of the latest published guides. So if you write guides and you have anything that's eBay related, you can come to the ecommercebytes.com/user-guides/ and then there's some way I'm sure you could submit it. I'm not really sure how it's done, but according to her, you can. Here it is right over here. I'm sorry, folks, it's right at the bottom. Okay. If there's a guide that you don't see, why not write one? To submit a guide on the topic related to buying and selling, click here to register or submit your guide. You must be logged in through e-commerce Bytes WordPress account in order to submit a guide, learn more, and then frequently ask questions. And this is how you would submit your guide. So these are the newest ones that were updated, I guess. She only has, I think, what, six of it. Well, it could be a little more than that. You got another arrow here to click here. But the first page, you could check it out. Again, that's on e-commerce Bytes, okay? ecommercebytes.com. And lastly, I just wanted to share this website with you guys. You all know that I am a frugal entrepreneur. I always look for ways to save money in any way I can. And I came across this one here. I believe someone sent it to me. And it says 15 ways to save on Amazon. They do have other things here that you could, check out if you go to their homepage. I think this is one of the first ones. And it tells you the dates when they put them out. This was today, April 10th, 9th, and April 8th. And if you want to get it, some of you have free email updates, subscribe for a free copy of our book, 101 free money-making apps. You can do that. And if you also want to be on their mailing list, I believe they have a thing where you can sign up to be on their mailing list. When new things come out, you could, they'll let you know about it. So I'm not going to go into the reading each one of these and going through verbatim. You could check it out for yourself. But you can see here, it's got the money-making apps, best survey sites, start a blog, contest, and about. Okay. So anyway, guys, I just want to really, make this short and sweet. I hope you guys who have stopped by here, and I just want to also give a shout out to the new YouTube subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. And for those who just hit the channel, you might not be a subscriber, but you might be interested in maybe the content I'm putting out. I just want to say thank you very much for your time and stopping by and checking out and listening to what I have to say. I want you also to know that, folks, that on this channel, I do not discuss religion or politics, okay? And there is no profanity or no crazy or zany antics that I perform to entertain. This channel is not for entertainment. even though it's on the entertainment category. It doesn't go that there. You're not going to see me coming out with a top hat and a cane and start dancing and performing a show for you guys. This channel is strictly for eBay related information if you're selling, but I do cover other topics as well, folks. I do do some do-it-yourself. I do some how-to videos. I do discuss other topics as far as the reseller news. I also do the sneak peek videos, demo videos, and intro videos. And those videos there are again to give the eBay potential buyers a little insight as to what I'm selling, in case you're wondering. Just to share a little quick story with you guys, I had once before somebody had commented in my one of my videos they seen, and the person said, I wasn't upset over it. They said, why do you do these videos? Nobody's going to watch them. Nobody's interested in hearing about this. They want to learn how to do things and make things and stuff like that. Why do you do these videos? I dealt with the sneak peek video, and I responded to them, not upset, angry, or anything of that nature. I just told the person, responded to the comment, and said, those videos, I said, first off, I said, I was very sorry that you're not happy with the content I put out, or you're not happy with the videos I produce. But I said, please understand the videos that I do when it comes to reselling, well, not the reselling one, they didn't comment on that, but on the sneak peek demo videos and intro videos, I said those videos are strictly to enlighten the potential eBay buyers. Okay, that's for the buyers that follow me on this channel. Whenever I put up a new or come across new merchandise, I go from sourcing. I like to, share it with the potential buyers. So what I do is a sneak peek video, and a sneak peek video is if I go sourcing, let's say it's a Monday, and then I come home Monday afternoon, and after I log all my stuff in, I catalog them, I make sure they're clean and presentable. I will do a sneak peek video, and in a sneak peek video, I simply talk about the item's condition, where I got them. I don't discuss how much I pay for them. I don't believe in that. There's some people like to do that. They like to tell everybody what they pay for it. I don't do that, folks. I just tell you where I got it from. If I got it at the Goodwill, Salvation Armies, or a thrift store, and I leave it at that. But I don't get into great detail as far as like what I'm buying and selling it for. And then what I do is, after I do that there, I'll make a presentation of the items I picked up. I then tell the buyers that this video is to give you guys a heads up. So as you know, now it'll be listed up on eBay and will be readily for purchase if you choose to do so. I can't tell you any more than that. And that's what I told that left that for that person who stopped by. I don't think they're a subscriber. I think they just hit my channel, probably accidentally or out of curiosity. And I just wanted to state that with them. I just want to make that clear. And for anybody who's wondering, the same thing even on this channel, that's what it's all about. But I do discuss other things, folks. I think I got a total of 516 videos or 517. And I'm not saying for you to go look through all of them, but if you check out some that I did in the past, you might find some interesting. I do voice my opinions when it comes to certain things. I don't, like I said again, I will not voice my opinions about religion or politics. Okay, and I don't go into rants. So you're not going to see me cursing and using the F-bomb word. The 4-letter words coming out of my mouth. Every other word is out of my mouth is with the F word. I don't use profanity on this channel. Not that I'm saying it makes me better than anybody else's channel. I like to keep it clean content. Okay, and for those that do follow me on my channel, and it's like I said again, you never have to worry if you have young kids hanging around you. You don't have to tell them if you're a mom or a dad and say, hey, listen, kids, can you go in the other room there? I'm watching this guy here because I don't know what's going to come out of his mouth. It's not a channel like that. This channel, everybody could watch. Okay, friends, family, and kids are all welcome to it. It's a clean content channel, and that's the way it's going to remain as long as I'm producing these videos. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you guys. But again, I don't want to ramble on. I just wanted to just throw that little tidbit of information out there as to why I do these videos. And I hope again that for those who do follow me, you like the content I put out, and that you'll keep coming back for more, and you'll subscribe to my channel. If you like it, give them a thumbs up. I'll drop the links below for the stuff that is listed on eBay. because I do sell on eBay, and I go by Shop Rjpasini for great deals. That's what it's all about on eBay. So that's my user ID, I should say. So, and another thing I just want to say in closing, all the items I have that you see listed, folks, if you click on the links below to the eBay listings, they are all with best offers, and I can't express it enough. Every listing I have has a make a best offer on it, except one, and that is the Sony e-reader. That does not have a best offer on it because I'm trying to get the money I invested back into that item. I want to get it back in. So that's the only one out of 330 something items I have that does not have best offer. And that I have to stay firm on the price because I'm trying to get my money back. I just want to get what I paid for it. And to share with you, that's what the price you see is what I paid for it. So I'm just trying to get that money back for that. But everything else, folks, make the best offer. You won't know what kind of deal you get unless you make that best offer. I can't come to you. You got to come to me as far as that part goes. You know, I can. If you don't make that offer, you're never going to know. Okay, as long as it's reasonable. And I had this once before. I think this might be a follow. I could be wrong, but I remember having an item listed up there. I think I mentioned some of my other videos. I think it was a souvenir item, and I had it free shipping. It was a best offer for $3.99, which was a foolish mistake on my part because I found out one thing, folks. If you're going to sell on eBay, don't incorporate best offers with free shipping. You will take a loss like you won't believe. Anyway, I had this. I think it was a novelty item, and it was for $3.99. Best offer, which was foolish on my part. I agree, and with free shipping. So I had it for $3.99 with that, right? Now, if it was me, I would just say, if I like it, I would just click the button and buy it, right? This person, I don't know who they are. I think I just deleted it because it was kind of foolish. They made me an offer for $1, and I get a kick out of it. The reason why I laugh every time I think about it. Here I am offering something so cheap, right? With the best offer again. People say, "Well, you should have thought about that," and I didn't. Okay, I was probably thinking about something else when I did that ad. And I put it out there for $3.99 with best offer, free shipping. And the person says, "I'll offer you $1." I just deleted it. You know, in some cases like that, I would have just counted, or just what I should have done is at that point, remove the ad, take out the free shipping, and leave it with the best offer, but try to get something for it, and maybe ante the price up a little. It was a little too cheap, you know. But again, these are the things you got to accept. Well, not accept, expect when you're using a best offer. And whatever you do, folks, just for yourselves, this is just my advice for you guys. If you want to take it or not, that's totally up to you. If you're going to do something like that with best offer, don't offer free shipping with it. If you could take a loss on it, or if you got the thing so cheap where your profit margin won't be affected by a $2 or $3 loss, that's a different story. But if you're going to get something out there and offer free shipping and best offer, man, you're going to really take a loss on it. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope this information helps. Again, if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. If you get anything out of it, give them a thumbs up. And I just want to say thanks again for stopping by. And I just want to also give a shout out to the new subscribers who subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for subscribing, and I do appreciate it. And again, my name is Rjpasini from Shop Rjpasini for great deals on eBay. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.